Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to set up your Shopify for Printful in 2025 so that you can start selling print-on-demand products with full automation, no inventory, and easy fulfillment. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come on printful.com. Then if you don't have an account on it, you need to simply sign up with your email address and create a strong password for your account. Now this will be your Printful's dashboard. Over here, simply hover over to the left hand section and click on the option of stores. Over here, select the option of choose platform. Now you will see a bunch of different e-commerce platforms that you can basically connect with your Printful account. Since we want to connect Shopify, simply click on the connect option right next to Shopify. It will redirect you now on this page where it is going to show you the steps of adding your Shopify store to Printful. First of all, you need to either create your Shopify account, then install the Printful application on your Shopify app. Afterwards, you need to connect your store and add your products. So here, as you can see, if you just scroll down and click on the option of shopify.com or click on the option of get the app, you will be landed here on shopify.com. Over here, you can provide your email address and then start your free trial. Here, once you are inside your Shopify store, basically, you need to go to the app store and download and install this Printful print on demand extension. After installing this application, it is going to ask you to sign in with the help of your Printful account. So you need to simply do that and follow the connection steps. Once this is done, if you come back here on the home page and go to the My Products section, all of the products that you have in your Shopify store will come here in this My Products section. If you want to create your own, you can select any one of these from this list and you can start designing your product and publish on Printify. It will automatically come in your Shopify store. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.